Brian back here with another look at Nvidia. Okay, this is on the monthly chart. There's a few things I want to go over here with this thing. All right, I believe this thing is it's just about tapped out. Okay, if we look at the RSI down here at the bottom, okay, we have declining strength in this thing. Number one. All right, that's the biggest thing you want to look at. Okay, we're looking. This is bearish divergence in here. You can see right here, this very first high was right here. That is this one down here on the RSI. Your second high is over here, okay, which is a lower high on the RSI. And now the third one is this one coming here, which is a higher high in price, but a lower high on the RSI. Okay, so that is it's losing steam. Okay, that's bearish divergence down here, which is never good to see. You don't want to see that. All right, that's on the monthly. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this line off here. We're going to go to the weekly. All right, now you can see on the weekly we don't have any bearish divergence on the weekly here. This high coming in over here, basically the same. Look across here, let's put a line across these. Roughly there, okay, call that a top. Now you can see the first high right at the white line, the second high right at the white line, and the third high right at the white line, okay? No higher highs there, just equal highs through there, so that's not a good sign either, alright? I believe Nvidia is losing steam here. We're going to jump back in here real quick here in a second. First thing I want to show you guys, I use MEXC. I use this site every single day. There's a link in the description of the video if you like the long and short markets, especially the crypto markets. You can go over there. They have up to, let's go to the main page here, up to 200x leverage, all right, which I don't recommend that. But, you know, if you're a risk taker, number one, if you don't know nothing about leverage, please don't go messing around over here. You'll get wiped out very fast, all right? If you're an experienced trader, you know how to use leverage responsibly. But you get up to 200x leverage here, all right? So if you know a breakout is happening and, you know, if you want to minimize your risk and use $50 at 200x and you have a winner, wow, that could really increase your earnings at a 200x leverage. But you go down through here, they have up to $1,000 bonuses for new people signing up, 0% spot maker fees. Absolutely, this will be the top leverage site out there pretty soon. They're just gaining such popularity out there. Okay, you can use it on your mobile phone. You can download it in the App Store, on Google Play, and on Windows. I love MEXC. It's as simple as this to open up a trade. All right, when you have this is a demo account I've set up here. Yeah, this is paper trading. Okay, if you want to go open up a trade, you hit this here to, you know, you want to put 100% of your wallet in. If you want to put 50% of your wallet in, okay, you can do it as a limit order or a market order. You can set the leverage right here, 49x up to 200x. Okay, you can go right up there, up to 200. Doesn't matter what you want to put it at. And then you simply put open trade, you know, right down here, boom, open long or open short. You go down to the bottom. You set your stop losses in here once your trade is open, and your take profits, and it's that simple, really is. And on the screen here, you can also move your stop losses and take profits right on here, so you don't have to punch it in every time. But if you want to check it out, there's a link in the description of the video. Please go check them out. Please use the link in the video. It helps me out. I would appreciate that so much. But very great platform. If you live in the US, you might need a VPN. After that, all you need is a password and a login code. That's it. That's all you need. You don't have to go through all the other baloney and just an email and a password. That's it, and you're in. Okay, you can hold your wallets over there They have a list right on the main page here for your wallet. Oops, let me see here. I apologize. Clicked on the wrong one. This is the one I want here, but right up here you have your assets, future, spot. Get up to $1,000 in bonuses. So please go check them out. I'd appreciate it. Let's get back to Nvidia here. All right, if we zoom in on this thing on the daily, we have that daily RSI just turning up. Okay, now as far as price action goes, not getting much of a movement. We're in this channel going up here. The daily RSI, like I said, is heading up, but look at the weekly. The weekly is just starting to roll over. The monthly is right at the top. Okay, so looking weak. The 12-hour just started up, but not showing any strength here in these 12-hour candles. The 8-hour heading up, same story, red candle. 4-hour heading up. Okay, so I'm expecting this thing, it could come back up to the top of the range here and then finally roll over, or it could roll over from here. But once it loses this channel, all right, let's go out to the daily chart. Okay, expect this thing to come back and fill this gap. Let's put it out on the weekly, actually, and get a look at this thing. Okay, normally you would be expecting a 618 pullback right to the top of the price action right there. A 618 would bring us back down here, and if we put it on the daily, you can see that would fill the gap, that gap there that we need to get filled eventually. So pull back to that 618 would obviously come down. It would fill this gap right over here, this price gap in here in the charts. That would fill that up, and then it can move on from there. You know, it can pull back down to this line at 312, and it can bounce from there, depending on how long that weekly RSI takes to come down. You know, it's, whoops, I apologize. There we go. Got that weekly RSI at a 73 and a 79. It's bearish, depending on how long it takes to get to the bottom and reset. But we also have a trend line here that you can see started way back in 2019. All right, we broke it, we regained it, and but I believe a top is coming in for Nvidia, guys. That's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research with stuff like that. It's real money you're playing with, so talk to qualified people about that. So, all right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Check out that MEXC. You won't regret it. Love that site. Great site to use. Have a great night, everybody.